Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Yesterday was Sunday. What did you do at home? Yes, you went to the park. Good. And what did you do in the park? Wow, you played on the swing. You played on the slippy slide. Good. Who did you meet in the park? Oh, you met friends in the park. Very good. Did you play with those friends of yours? Very good. Oh, you did coloring at home. What did you color? Wow, you colored a duck. What color is the duck? Yeah, yellow. Very good. Mama told you a story? You enjoyed the story? Which story did Mama tell you? Oh, about the 3 bears. Did you enjoy the story? Fine. I'm going to tell all your friends in the class a story about a little bird. Now that story has some friends over there. As you have friends in the park, there are 4 friends here. Now this boy's name is Joe. What is this boy's name? Joe. He had another friend by the name of Tony. Yeah, can you see what Tony is doing? Yeah, he's playing football. Good. And next we have Vani. See how pretty Vani is? She's so happy. She's smiling. And next we have Rashi. Rashi also is very happy because all the 4 friends met and they were going to play. And they decided, come on now, let's go to the park to play. So all the 4 friends ran to the park to play. Here you can see them. They are playing on the slippy slide. They are playing on the swing. And one Rani is playing with her little doggy. And they are enjoying themselves in the park. After some time, oh no, it began to rain. And they were wondering what to do now. Immediately they had their umbrellas with them. They opened up their umbrellas. And yes, they were playing away. See the other 2 friends? They're jumping in the water. And then Tony said, no, come on, we have to go home now. And they all run to Tony's house. But in Tony's house, they feel very sad. Tony says, what do we do now? Then Tony's mum says, don't be sad. You can do some drawing. She gives them paper, she gives them the pencils, and they began to draw. They enjoy drawing. And then suddenly, while they were drawing on the papers, a little bird flew in, and they were shocked to see the bird. And this little bird flew and flew about in the room. It got scared. Immediately, Tony went and closed the door. He closed the window also. And then Joe said, come on, let us put the bird in the box. Then Vani said, please don't do that. It will be very sad. It will feel very sad. Then they sat and they kept thinking, what do they do with this little bird? And then when they looked out, it stopped raining. They were very happy. Tony opened the door. Tony opened the window. And as he opened the window, out flew the bird. It was very happy to be free from this room. It flew out of the room. And then when it went out, it went and sat on a branch of a tree, so happy. And it began to sing. Thank you for not catching me and letting me go free. It was so happy, it began to sing the song. Come on now, children, I'll teach you this song. You repeat after me, okay? Yes. Thank you for not catching me and letting me go free. Very good. Clap for yourselves, clap for yourselves. We'll sing it once again. What did the birds sing? Come on, let's sing with teacher. Thank you for not catching me and letting me go free. The bird was very happy and it flew away. And then what did the bird do? After singing, it went and told all the other little birds about what happened to him in the room. Yes, very good. Did you like the story, children? Yeah? You like the story? Yes. Come on, clap your hands. Now I'll ask you a few questions. You must answer, teacher. Okay? Now I've got a pretty chart put up here. Okay, now you tell me, how many friends were there? There were 4 friends. Where did the 4 friends go? Wow, they went to the park and they played on the swing and the slippy slide. What happened while they were playing? Oh, it rained. It began to rain. Then when they ran into Tony's house, what came into the room? A bird. What color is the bird? A blue bird. What did they do with the blue bird? Did they catch the bird? No, the bird kept flying in the room. Then what happened? Tony opened the door and the bird flew outside the door. And then what happened? The bird was so happy. It was free. And then it began to sing. Can you sing that song, what the bird was singing? Yeah. Thank you for not catching me and letting me go free. The bird was free at last, was very, very happy. What did the bluebird do after that? It went and told all the other birds about its story. You like the story? Very good. Clap.